my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for cheekboss. Now, if you're not familiar, cheekboss is an underwear subscription. So you can choose cheekies, thongs, briefs, boy shorts. They even have a store where you can get accessories. You can buy sleep sets as well on their store. Now they do have a sale going on now where you can just show up at their website and you can get 2 pairs of underwear for free. And if you sign up for a membership, you get an additional 2 pair of underwear for free. But normally it runs for each month, it runs $24.99. It is a little bit more than some of the other places that you can get underwear subscriptions. But you get 3 pairs of seamless undies based on a profile that you've created. And I wore mine from last month, and it barely feels like you're wearing any underwear. So I did ask for extra large last time, and I thought that the boy shorts were a little bit too big, but the briefs fit very well. Now, I don't know if I made it in time or not before the next renewal, but I did switch it to large to see if they would fit me better. So let's see if I made it by the cutoff date. Ooh, let's see what else is in here. Okay. Now, these undies are made by the same company that makes the best leggings ever, which is Pop Fit Clothing. And you can get a free pair of leggings if you go to Pop Fit Clothing. You do have to pay like $12 or something for shipping, but these are kind of expensive, so that's a really good deal. And then, oh, let's see what this says. Oh, as a VIP, I get 40% off of everything they sell, and I get free domestic shipping. So here they are. Now the first one, wow, look at that design. Let me get these out of here. Oh, these are still extra large, so it'll probably take effect by my next shipment. But they still fit okay. It's not that they're like huge or anything. It's just the boy shorts seem to be a little bit large for me. And this looks like a brief. I just love it. But as you can see, they are seamless. Even the seam along the side is seamless. They have a seamless leg, a cotton crotch. They're very stretchy. Here, wait. Very stretchy, very silky, cooling-like, but very nice. I'm very happy with these. And let's take a look at the next one. Oh, these are really cute. I love these. That is super fun. I'd like to have a blouse like that. Oh, and the last one is perfect for summer. The last one is perfect for summer. Little strawberries, raspberries, berries. Very cute. Yeah. But I like the way these feel. I really do. They're very comfortable. You can barely tell they're on. And I like full coverage. And these briefs, they do cover your full butt. You can see by the cutout that it doesn't go too high on the hip, and it has a lot of fabric for the hiney. So I do prefer full coverage, and that's what these are, and I'm very happy with them. And if you are interested, I will go ahead and leave a link for you down below so that you can try them for yourself. I'm glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.